Today, I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB drive using a USB drive and a laptop with Ubuntu. What we need to do first is download an ISO file for whatever Linux distribution you desire. I'm going to use good old-fashioned Ubuntu Linux. I have this downloading now. It should take about 4 or 5 minutes. And once it downloads, we'll use a special tool that's built into Ubuntu to very quickly and very easily turn this USB into a bootable device. What we can do while we're waiting for this to download is stick our USB into our computer, make sure there's nothing on there, go ahead and back up or take out all the files on there because this process will be totally wiping the USB. It's also important to note that you want your USB to have enough space. So if you only have a 2 GB USB drive, it's not going to be enough space for a 5 GB ISO file. Once we've inserted our USB into our computer and made sure that there are no files that are going to be eliminated, deleted forever with this, we're going to look up the Startup Disk Creator and go ahead and open that Startup Disk Creator tool. Once you have this little pop-up box, Make Startup Disk, you are going to find the ISO file that you just downloaded in the Downloads folder, and you should be able to find it. Here's the most recent one for me. And select Open, and then you will select your USB drive, and then just simply select Make Startup Disk. It's going to ask you if you really want to do this because, as I said earlier, this will delete all of the data on your USB drive. And I do want to, so I'm going to hit yes. It may ask you for your password, which I'm going to put in now. So once this has completed, you should be able to stick this into any computer. It will then start the installation process for Ubuntu 24.04. Finishing. Installation is complete. You may now run Ubuntu on other computers by booting them with this drive inserted. And now you have a bootable USB drive just like that.